guys, it's Yashita and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title of today's video, today my zodiac sign is gonna control my day. So I have been seeing this trend a lot on YouTube lately. Actually, I have seen foreign YouTubers do this trend. India में भी अब बहुत लोग करना start कर रहे हैं. So yeah, I really got inspired to make this video. So my zodiac sign is Leo and all the fellow Leos out there, high five. So yeah, I'm gonna be filming this video in vlog sort of a style. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. But before we get started with today's video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, अभी जाके सब्सक्राइब करो and also hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a new video on YouTube. You can also follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle and yeah, now let's get started with today's video. I'm gonna briefly share with you guys कि मैं इस वीडियो में क्या करने वाली हूँ और कैसे फॉलो करने वाली हूँ. So there are lots and lots of different charts on Pinterest, on Google based on your zodiac sign. It's like zodiac sign as tops, as pants, as food, as makeup and I don't know, there are so many different categories. तो इस वीडियो में मैं क्या करूँगी कि जो भी मुझे करना होगा दिन में, I'm just gonna Google it. Like if I have to get ready right now, I'm gonna search zodiac signs as top. तो जो भी चार्ट होगा उसमें से मैं लियो वाली आउटफिट्स पिक करूँगी, लियो वाले टॉप, लियो वाले बॉटम, लियो वाला मेकअप, एक्सेसरीज and so on. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. Another thing that I wanna ask you guys is that do you guys believe in zodiac signs or do you always read these kind of posts or you know things related to your zodiac signs? I am a Leo and I can relate to a lot of personality traits of Leos. You know, when I was in school we used to get this morning newspaper and उसमें मैं कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ती थी. सबसे पहले I used to go to that horoscope section and I used to read my horoscope as well as my crush's horoscope. I just used to see if there's something related to love life and connection. Then eventually I used to see a lot of posts on Instagram. अभी भी feed पे आ जाते हैं. Sometimes I relate to them, like they're so accurate to the point, and sometimes it doesn't make any sense at all. Especially जो fashion वाले charts होते हैं उसमें मेरे साथ अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि मुझे लियो की outfit अच्छी नहीं लगती, मुझे Sagittarius की अच्छी लगेगी, Cancer की अच्छी लगेगी, पर लियो की अच्छी नहीं लगती. So yeah, मैं बहुत देर से बोल रही हूँ. Let's start with the first thing today. So the first thing that I'm gonna do today is that I'm gonna dress up, and when I say dress up, I really mean it. So this is the chart that I'm referring to. So according to this chart, Leo has this bright yellow colored dress. मेरे पास ऐसी exact dress तो नहीं है, but I do have a yellow dress. Wait, I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the only yellow dress that I have, so I'm gonna wear this. So I went for this particular chart because इसमें yellow dress थी Leo की, and मैंने जितना भी search किया है हर जगह Leo का जो color है it's yellow, goldenish and orange. So yeah, I'm going for this just to be true to this challenge. So I'm gonna quickly change into this and I'll see you after that. I'm in my really pretty, really fancy yellow dress and now I'm gonna try to do the Leo inspired eye makeup. I've already done a little bit of base makeup, तो मैं बस थोड़ा सा eye makeup करूँगी. This is the eye look that I'm gonna try to recreate. It has this brown cut crease and golden glitter kind of eyeshadow, a little bit of inner corner highlight and lots of mascara and also winged liner. मेरे से अच्छे से नहीं हुआ, please don't judge. I'm gonna try my best to recreate this look. Yeah, I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse and I'm gonna switch on the AC and I'm gonna do this makeup look. Okay, so the eye makeup is done. I know it's not the most perfect, but we're gonna go with this. And now for the lipstick. So this is the chart for the lipstick. And Leo का इसमें बहुत nudish brown shade है और मेरे पास ऐसे shades बहुत सारे हैं. I'm gonna be mixing these two. ये है नायका के Matte to Last collection में से. So this one is झुमकी, ये थोड़ा dark है, and this one is Bombay, थोड़ी you know peachish nude shade है. तो मैं इसको दोनों को mix करूँगी and hopefully ऐसा थोड़ा shade बन जाए. तो I think this lipstick is really close to the shade in the chart, and I'm very happy with that. So yeah, this is the finished makeup look. I don't do a lot of eye makeup, so it's a little bit different for me, but yeah, we're gonna go with this. Now moving on to the next thing, which is the hairstyle. So today I'm gonna be wearing this hairstyle. So for Leo, the hairstyle is really cute. I love this hairstyle. So I'm gonna be doing some soft curls, and then I'm gonna make 2 braids from both the sides and tie it at the back. I think it will look really cute, especially with this attire. I think it will look really nice. So yeah, let's do this hairstyle. Okay, so mom did these soft curls, and now I'm gonna try to recreate the hairstyle. मैं proper braid नहीं करूँगी. I'm just gonna take a small section and I'm gonna roll it, and I'm gonna use some bobby pins to secure it, and let's see how this hairstyle looks on me. Alright, so this is how the hairstyle looks from the front. It looks quite dreamy, very romantic. Okay, so now to complete this entire look, we have to choose a footwear. Now Leo के mainly हर चीज़ golden और bold type की heels ही आ रही है सारे charts में. एक yellow भी है. I do have a pair of yellow heels. I don't have any gold heels, but then this chart has this red pair of heels, and I do own a red pair of heels. So I'm gonna go with the red pair क्योंकि yellow के साथ फिर मुझे yellow heels नहीं करनी है. So I'm gonna wear my heels, and then I'm gonna show you my entire look. Now that I'm all dressed up and I don't have anywhere to go, nor that I can actually go anywhere, I was looking for certain hobbies or free activities जो Leo कर सकते हैं. Like what a Leo will do if they are free. उसमें पहले वाले पोस्ट में लिखा है activities and sports that required great technique such as dancing or ice skating. I used to go to several dance classes. So yeah, dancing was like my big hobby while growing up. I still really enjoy dancing. Second is theatre and dramatic activities. School में बहुत participate करती थी इन सब में, so I agree to that too. Third is going out to eat or partying with friends. I would give anything to do that right now, I swear. Last one is board games with friends and family, and this is something that I absolutely love, and I love to play board games. Okay, so this one is a funny one. It's the science favorite thing to do. So Leo पे है be annoying, and I'm not gonna lie,
it's fun to annoy people sometimes. I do that with my friends and my family, and yeah, I'm annoying, but in a cute way, okay? In a cute way.
Okay, so here is another one, and इसमें है the signs and their hobbies. Leo में है eating excessively. Well, that's my biggest hobby, I'm not gonna lie. I love eating, but I actually have to do something today क्योंकि आज मुझे कोई और काम नहीं है. It's my free day. So I found this one. It's zodiac signs and their potential hobbies. So Leo में है reading. Now when I was young, I used to read. Not a lot, but yes, I did enjoy reading. Since my zodiac sign is controlling my day, I'm gonna read today, and I don't have anything else to do. But before that, I want to change this outfit, and I want to wear something more comfy now. ये मुझे बस अपना ये पूरा look देखना था, you know, Leo का. I found this chart. It's their zodiac signs and crop tops. और Leo में है ये yellow kind of a crop top. इसके आगे कुछ slogan भी है. I do have a top similar to this, so I'm gonna wear that. And for the bottoms, I found this one. इसमें Leo में है ये ribbed white shorts, और मेरे पास ऐसे ही है एकदम. So I'm gonna quickly go wear that, and I'll see you after that. Hi guys, so it's many hours later actually. मैंने कोई बुक नहीं पढ़ी ढंग से. I just read a few pages और फिर मैं सो गई. That's because कल रात में नहीं, I slept at 4 AM in the morning, and I don't do that. मेरा sleeping schedule बहुत सही है, fixed है, और कल पता नहीं क्या हुआ, so आज मुझे बहुत तेज़ नींद आ गई. And I woke up half an hour ago. It's currently 7:50, तो 8 बजने वाले हैं. मैं 8 बजे तक usually dinner कर लेती हूँ. So I was searching for zodiac signs as food फूड एंड मुझे 3 चार्ट्स मिले और तीनों चार्ट्स में लियो का फूड वाज पास्ता. एक में इट वाज मैक एंड चीज़ बट वी आर गोना कैटेगराइज इट एज पास्ता ओनली. सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी. आई लव पास्ता.
Yes, adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you.
Alright guys, so here is my dinner. बहुत ही tasty, बहुत ही yummy. I'm gonna have my dinner now and I'm gonna end this video right here. I really hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. अगर आपको एक ऐसी वीडियो देखनी है जहाँ मेरे Instagram followers मेरी लाइफ एक दिन के लिए कंट्रोल करें, please let me know in the comment section. And yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. So जाते जाते सब्सक्राइब करके जाना. And yeah, अपना ध्यान रखो, precautions लो और immunity strong करो. And I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye.